Hi everyone!
Hi!
I'm
Hello.
Michelle.
I'm Karla,
I'm a makeup artist.
fashion designer.
Today,
We're gonna play.
makeup! And
Yay.
you know what? This is the first time I've got nothing on my face and you have nothing on your
Yes.
face. So this is us naked. And I've got moisturizer on, and what have you got on?
Moisturizer also.
And also, I always put on eye cream under my eye because I get really wrinkly and crackly here if I don't.
Oh, okay, okay.
So, you know, I've got really dry skin. So for me to get the glowy skin, it has been really, really hard. So I got these products made specifically for me to have glowing skin. So I put on moisturizer for about 5 minutes already. And I always make sure it's actually on my skin for about 2-3 minutes until it absorbs into the skin before I put on the next layer.
Yeah.
Now, this is the product that I need. Everyone needs this. This is the liquid highlighter. This is a liquid highlighter.
Okay.
It's from my Perfect Glow range, and this is my power product that I think everyone needs in their makeup kit.
Let's try.
Let's go?
Let's go.
Okay, so the moisturizer's on, and I love skin that glows from underneath. So we're gonna put this product. I'm Aurora, you're Illuminate.
Yes.
You need to shake the product because if you don't shake it, the product is not mixed well. And you know what? You only need literally 1 drop.
1 drop only?
Yeah, 1. Because it's so pigmented, okay? Using my fingers, I like to mix it up a little bit, and I always put it into certain areas of the face only. I don't like to put it throughout the whole face.
Okay.
So I put on my cheekbone. Oh, you see how it blends? It literally just blends through it. And then I put it underneath my brow bone. You see it? And then I put a little bit on my nose bridge. And you know what? I don't like to put my highlighter all up on my forehead.
Yeah.
Because you know when the light catches, it looks really oily.
Yeah.
And it reflects really ugly. So I only put it in the middle of my brow.
Okay.
Where the brows. Yeah? And then pull it down because everyone wants a higher nose bridge. That's right.
Nice.
You see the glow already?
Sudah.
Okay, the next step is foundation. See, this liquid highlighter, the good thing is you can actually put it underneath your foundation.
Okay.
On top of your foundation, you can mix it with your foundation. You can even put it on top of your powder. It depends on how much you want to glow. For me, I love my skin to glow dari bawah, from the bottom.
Okay.
So by doing that, I put it on my skin first and then the foundation. And sometimes I feel I want more bling bling on my skin, then I put 1 more layer on top before the powder products.
Okay.
And you know what the crazy thing is? It doesn't matter if you have dry skin or oily skin. This product is drop for everyone. Everyone thinks it's like a big secret. It's really, really hard to get my skin.
Yeah.
But actually, everyone can.
Okay.
By using the right product and using the right technique, seriously, anyone can. And look, you saw what I look like without makeup.
Yeah. Okay.
So are you done with the foundation?
Done?
Done? Okay. Next step, a bit of concealer. So now it's been a few minutes, right? I like to use a bit of loose powder. Can you see the glow? Sometimes I like to put a little bit more bling onto my face, so I just add a tiny little bit more around my cheekbone area. Gila no?
Should we tap or just blend it?
Push
Push.
with your fingers. Can you see that? And you see how it blends? Easy, right?
Yeah, very easy.
So easy to blend. And you only need a little bit and it goes a long way, you see? You know, for me, I just like skin. I like to play with really good skin because once the skin is nice, 75% of the makeup is done.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna get a little bit of contour. Let's do a bit of contour.
Okay.
Okay? So I stick my cheeks in and I just fill in the hollow. Are you doing that?
Yeah.
Now, another star product. And it comes in 2 sets. I use both and you know, it job for my skin. And you can use both as well.
Yeah.
But honestly, I had a problem with this color here. This color is a unicorn. I had a huge argument, a huge fight with my teams because they were so scared when they saw this color. It's so out there. They thought, no, I don't think so. I don't think it will sell. But I fought my way for it because you know what? Every time I wear this color, everybody asks me what color it is. Seriously. I'm gonna put it on and show it to you, and you're gonna tell me, okay? So this is like a shimmer. So this is, one side is a shimmer and one side is a glitter. Here, hold that. This is for you. This is a shimmer, that's a glitter. You can play with it. You can use it as a blush. You can use it as a highlighter. You can use it as an eyeshadow. There's so many things you can do with it. And another thing I'm gonna show you. This looks like glow.
Okay.
Once I put this one on top, it looks like glass.
Okay.
Do you believe me?
Let's try.
Let's try it. Okay. You can use any of it. So different product, different effect. One is a diamond, one is a shimmer. The shimmer one gives you more of a glass effect. The glitter one gives you more of a bling bling effect. So it depends on what you want to do with it.
Can we mix?
Yes, you can. Even if you mix, see, makeup, there's no one way of doing it. You know, you can mix and match according to what effect you like. You see, the color is so unique. I've never seen a color like this. It took me so long to find this color combination. Do you know that?
It's done.
We're done. See? Different skin color, different skin texture can use these products. So tell me what you think of the products.
Biasanya sih aku suka pakai highlighter, tapi nggak pernah sih kalau sampai glass kayak gini. Ini
Never, right?
Never.
Yeah.
Dan selalu biasanya itu lari.
Yeah.
The makeup always lari.
And sometimes it doesn't hidup.
Yeah.
You know what, guys? I hope you love the products as much as I do and as much as she does.
Yes.
And have fun and glowy.
Bye.
Glowy.